Buyers are emerging from their winter hibernation, though they're not super active yet. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. As expected, more choices for buyers compared with January. However, there are about 200 fewer homes on the market compared with last February. Short-term, prices up compared with December and January, yet down compared with this time last year. Home sales were virtually unchanged compared with February 2025. Our look at local markets starts with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mostly down everywhere. Large, medium, and small communities. Oakland down more than 30%. San Leandro and San Lorenzo both way down. Prices mixed. Alameda up 1.5. San Leandro down 11% to $762,000. Sales mostly down. Newark, San Leandro, and Union City all down more than 20%. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale mostly down by 20 to 30%. Prices mixed. El Sobrante up to more than $800,000. San Pablo down to $540,000. Sales mostly down and mostly in the single digits. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mixed. Clayton down. More on the market in Martinez and Walnut Creek. Prices down everywhere. Walnut Creek down 15% to $1.4 million. Sales mixed. Clayton and Concord both down. Walnut Creek up with 27 sold. Next up, La Miranda. Homes for sale down everywhere. Orinda 20 on the market. Prices mixed. Lafayette up 20% to more than $2 million. Sales up. Lafayette 20 sold. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale mixed. More choices in Danville, Dublin, and San Ramon, down in Alamo and Pleasanton. Prices mostly up. Pleasanton at 1.9. San Ramon down 20% to 1.45. Sales mostly down. Dublin 12 sold. Exceptions Alamo and San Ramon. And finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale mixed. Antioch and Pittsburgh both down more than 30%. Prices mixed. Brentwood $735 down more than 10%. Sales down almost everywhere. Antioch, Discovery Bay, Pittsburgh all down more than 20%. Last thoughts. There was a jump in pending sales from January to February, to be expected due to the seasonal nature of real estate, and there was also an increase compared with last February. The year may be off to a slowish start, however, buyers are out there. We'll see you next month.